Hey Benefit Babes, yes, here to show you guys my Benefit brow routine. If you guys want to learn how I get these babies on fleek, then please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be going in with my Goof Proof pencil. I absolutely love it because the custom teardrop tip is absolutely amazing. It just makes the process so much easier. Okay, so we're gonna take our spoolie and we're just gonna go ahead and brush our brow hairs into place. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and start at the beginning of our brow. And the custom teardrop tip just makes it so easy because it already has the shape. So now I'm just taking the thinner part of the tip and I'm just pulling it through the brow and finishing it off by using the spoolie to brush out my hair. So for the last step, I'm going to be going in with Highbrow Glow, and this is perfect to really make that eyebrow pop. It's a really pretty pink champagne-y color with an luminous finish that's going to help us really arch the brow and open up our eyes. So to apply, I'm going to start right before the arch and just draw a line to the tail, and then we're just going to go ahead and blend it out with our finger. So that's it for my Benefit brow routine. Super fab and super easy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what your brow routine is, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Don't forget to subscribe.